Bot is also known as botroot, webroot or zombies. It is basically a small application or a program written by a skilled cybercriminal to take charge of your system. Bot is a single computer or device in a network of bots known as botnet. Botnet is a network of infected computers or devices to perform malicious cyber attacks like distributed denial of service, popularly known as DDoS attack, click fraud, targeted attacks. They also send tons of spam emails. They also use their system infected to obtain important and confidential data. Also, bot owner is known as the command center, commander, bot master, or command and control center, or a bot operator. It is the nodal house to instruct infected system in the botnet network to perform any operation or task without the user's knowledge. That is, collecting data, monitoring network traffic, eavesdropping email, monitoring keystroke like keylogger application, or tracking every single thing that you do on the system. This is extremely dangerous as the crime is being committed using bot infected system. Any IoT device can be easily hacked by botnet. Now let us look at various infection methods. Visiting a malicious website resembles as legitimate ones can induce you to a botnet or a bot infection. Downloading a paid software for free from a torrent website, infected spam email, silently installs bot. Also look for security vulnerabilities in your system and exploit it, and it spread across your network. Now what could be the motive behind this bot? Bot earns a big amount of money. They are also used by business rivals to bring down the business. They are used to spread spam. They are used to conduct large scale attacks. They disrupt internet and network functioning. They create public panic fear in public. They also distribute viruses, spyware, scareware and crimeware. They are also installed specifically to steal your sensitive bank credential like login password, debit and credit card numbers. They are also used to extort money or ransom. Popularly, motive is carried out by cyber terrorists. Now let us look at some of the protection tips that will help you and your family, friends and organization to remove botnet or to protect yourself from bot. So reduce the rights and user privileges when online. Don't trust email attachment from unknown sender. Never download or install software, games from torrent websites. Be careful before you click on an unknown or a new website link. Regularly update your system or machine and create awareness.